Today we're going to show you an easy way to cook chickpea curry. It doesn't require much preparation and you can easily scale it up to make a large portion of curry to serve lots of people in only 30 minutes, and it tastes great. Bear cuisine. As a curry lover, I'm a big fan of both Thai curry and Indian curry. But when it comes to cooking at home, these two types of curry require lots of effort and time to make from scratch. Instead, I usually go with Japanese curry because the cooking process is so much easier with this seasoning mix. It can be found in many Asian grocery stores or in the Asian food aisle of some supermarkets. Plus, there are other brands that produce these curry packets. They also have different flavors and different levels of spiciness. It is an excellent all-in-one curry sauce mix, and I always have kept several in my pantry. To start with, we're using canned chickpeas here because it's convenient, but you can also use dried chickpeas, just soak them in advance before cooking. We're going to open the can, drain out the liquid, and rinse it with fresh water. By the way, the liquid in the chickpea can is called aquafaba. It's kind of like egg whites, and it can be whipped and used to replace egg whites in many vegan cooking recipes. Next, we're going to drain the fresh water and prepare our other ingredients. We're going to have some shallots, or you can use onions here, garlic, frozen peas, and carrot. Just peel and chop everything except the peas. The quantity of each ingredient is not very strict. You can just adjust according to your preference. For example, I could have used more carrots, but it was all I had left. So you can do very casual measuring here. It's very laid back. You can always check up on the side of the packaging for reference. Once everything is prepared, it's time to cook. Heat up a pan, cook on low heat, and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has melted down, add in the shallots and garlic. Cook until the shallots become translucent. This process takes about 3 minutes on low heat. We are going to then turn up the heat to medium-high and add in chickpeas and the vegetables. Stir this mixture well and add enough water to cover your mixture of vegetables. While the water is heating up in the pot, take out the seasoning pack. As you can see on the back, it's been divided into different sections. Before you open it, bend the packaging so that it crumbles and breaks apart into smaller pieces. This will help the curry mix well in the pot. In the meantime, check occasionally to see if the curry cube is dissolved. If you find a large chunk like this one, you can use another spoon to squish it and it will mix well. Now the mixture is boiling, cover with a lid and turn down to low heat. Let it cook for another 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, let's take a look. It smells great and all of the ingredients have absorbed the nice curry flavor. To serve, I like to fill a bowl with rice to create a dome shape on a plate and then surround it with curry. It's a very simple but flavorful dish. The peas have become soft and tender and well balanced with the rice. Together they make a great combination. By the way, this recipe isn't limited to chickpeas. You can easily apply the same method, but with other protein and vegetables, and make everything as tasty. Plus, it tastes better the next day when you reheat it. Here are the leftovers that we had 1 day ago, and we're going to turn it into a shrimp curry today. It's also very simple. Just heat up the pan with oil, cook the shrimp until pink, and then add in the curry leftovers, plus a small amount of water. Mix this well. Once the curry is boiling, everything is set. A quick shrimp curry meal in 10 minutes. Voila! Thanks for staying with us until the end. We hope you enjoyed this chickpea recipe, which is super easy to make. If you want to know how we cook the curry with other ingredients, feel free to leave us a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future upcoming recipes.